How to remove the background of a video that you are editing with inShot Video Editor app. And as always, make sure you have the latest update for the editor app on inShot. This is with an Android phone. It is 2025, and let's get started. So let's say you have a video that plays something like this here, and you just want to keep the content here and remove the background, then save that video and place it onto another video to use another background. So to remove the background, you will need to use the Chroma tool. And again, make sure you have the latest update, because before you couldn't remove the background of the main video you're editing. So when you're ready to do this, of course, you want to start where you want to start removing, or make sure you select the video that you want to do this for. If you're working with multiple video clips, you want to tap on the one you're editing. And once you do this here, you'll browse over now to this part here where all the tools are, and you're going to look for the one that says cut out, this tool right here. Once you tap on it, you will see cut out, and you'll also see the Chroma tool, this one right here. This is the one that you're going to use to remove the background if it's a solid background. Now, once you're here like this in this view mode here, what you're going to do now is take the pointer, which is the circle here, and place it on the color that you want to remove. The Chroma tool will only work on single solid colors. So for example, if your background is a complete total red, it's going to work better. And this works best for green screen effects. So if you're planning to do a video and have no background, record that video with the background in a bright green or perhaps a bright blue. So you'll take this pointer now here, this right here, this tool here, you're gonna move it. And you'll notice how when I go from here to here, it's gonna show me the color that's being selected right now down here. So it's gonna remove the red. And you'll still notice that there are some extra red around here. You wanna adjust the strength of that. So adjusting the strength will decrease how much of that color is left. And you want to do it to a point where it's not so much that it starts to fade into the object. So you see how that looks now? And you press the check mark and you do like this here. And now you have this video. You can see the original video here in the timeline, but you will see how it looks without the color background there. So now the video is playing here, and that's how it would go about. So what's good about doing this is even if it's a black background, if you save this video, you can use this as a video overlay onto another video and have just this image shown instead of the red and all that stuff. And that's how you would go about moving or removing the background of a video with inShot Editor app. Like and sub.